Hi there, I'm Nicole Minder, licensed esthetician and owner of Savvy Skin Spa, and today we are going to do an at-home facial. So it's going to be 5 easy steps: cleanse, exfoliate, mask, hydrate, active serum. So I have here the Savvy Skin Gentle Cleanser, removes oil, dirt, makeup without stripping the skin. You're going to use a nickel size, add water, massage in face, neck, décolleté with a warm washcloth. You're going to gently wipe away from the center of the face, stay away from the eyes. If you have oily skin or you need a deeper cleanse, do 2 steps. The second step is going to be our exfoliation step. So what I have here is the Skin Script Refining. You can use the Epicurean scrub, you can use an enzyme, you can use a peel, whatever you have in this step. You can use whatever. If you need help, feel free to email me and I can make recommendations for you. What you're going to do is you're going to dispense your scrub into your hand, add some water, let it actually loosen up so that when you massage it into the skin, it's actually going to move around the face. You can actually pat it in first and then start scrubbing. We'll make sure that we get our neck and our décolleté. And also, don't use too much pressure. This is just a very light exfoliation. You're going to want to pay an extra attention around the nose and the chin, the areas that we tend to have a little bit more buildup than normal. You're going to get another washcloth, a clean one. This is when you're going to want to make sure that the water is a little bit on the warm side so that you can just glide away the scrub. What I typically do in the treatment room is I will wipe down the face and then I'll actually flip to the clean side and wipe again. The scrubs can be a little bit harder to get off, but you're really going to want to make sure that you remove everything so that when you do the masking portion, you're not going to feel a little bit of that grit. The next step is going to be the mask. What I have here is I have the Epicurean Hydrating Mineral Mask and I have the Skin Brightener. The Skin Brightener is an exfoliant. We have lactic acid, and then we have mandelic, which is for lightening pigmentation. So I'm going to put the Skin Brightener on first, and then I'm going to put the hydrating mask on. I'm going to massage in, and what's happening when I massage in the skin in a circular motion for maybe about 5 minutes, I'm actually forcing all that ingredient into the skin. I'm forcing the Skin Brightener and I'm forcing the hydrating mask, which is a perfect balance because we're getting brightening and then we're getting hydration. Everybody loves that. If you happen to have a sheet mask at home, one of these, you can still do your Skin Brightener or an active serum, vitamin C, whatever you have. Put your sheet mask on, and then an advanced tip would be get an ice cube. I have a little prop here, which just happens to be a beauty globe. You can get your ice cube, and you're going to move it around the entire face, go around the eyes, go around the lip. This is going to constrict the blood flow. What happens when you constrict the blood flow? We're going to get firming, but we're also going to help force those ingredients into the skin, and it also feels amazing. If you happen to have acne, ice is huge for reducing inflammation. Remove your mask. Next, we're going to mist. We have here it is, the Savvy Skin Ultra Moist. Oh my god, it's amazing. It smells good. Instant moisture. You're not going to feel greasy. If you happen to be more on the dry side, what you're going to want to do is apply your advanced serum next and then a moisturizer. So what I have here is this is the Triple C, which is 3 vitamin C's into 1. Put that on, massage it all in, and we're done. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at savvyskinspa@gmail.com or visit our store. Thank you so much for watching.